Understanding, a sounding board, enhancing your English expression. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, a sounding board. This term is not just about sound or boards, but it's a powerful expression in the English language, used to describe a particular interaction or role in discussions. Stay tuned as we uncover the layers of meaning and usage of a sounding board. The phrase, a sounding board, originally comes from a literal board in musical instruments like the piano or organ. This board helps to project the sound. Similarly, in language, a sounding board is a metaphor used for a person who enhances or amplifies your ideas. When someone is called a sounding board, it means they are there to listen and provide feedback. They are not necessarily solving your problems, but they help you think more clearly by listening and responding to your ideas. It's like echoing your thoughts back to you with clarity and sometimes with added insight. You can use this phrase in a professional or personal context. For example, I use my colleague as a sounding board for my ideas at work, or, sometimes, I just need a sounding board to process my thoughts about my plans. Having a sounding board is crucial because it's not just about having someone listen. It's about having someone who helps refine and articulate your thoughts and ideas. It's a valuable part of communication and personal development. And that's a wrap on understanding a sounding board. It's more than a phrase, it's a significant concept in effective communication and problem solving. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you've gained a valuable addition to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your language horizons.